How to colour your light. With the light selected, go to the light properties and go to the content section. And here you'll have a section called colour or colour mode. So for this light, which is this window here, the colour mode is source. So all of the colours are coming from the source texture. If I change this to flat, now we've colorized this image and we can change the colour using the swatch, and we're colorizing that light. If we wanted to have a gradient of colour, we can choose ramp, choose one colour at one side here, another colour over here, and now we have a ramp of colour here going across the light. And we can change it from a linear to a radial, center it and change the extent, and then we've got a gradient of colour from the center to the edge. So that's how you colour your lights in HDR Light Studio.